going to be building some drawers. Got quite a few, look, loads, like 12. So I'm currently going to do all the drawers to get rid of all the rubbish, make sure nothing's all damaged. Right, so this panel I'm cutting, we actually need to cut this one off. Here. Right, Martin gave the go ahead, so we measure from here to the top of the unit. You want to be exact. When we fit in this unit, it's going to be fitted. I'm going to have to cut the back out of this because the obviously quite the depth of it, so we'll go all the way back into the wall side. Out the back, so the other one will fit in there now. And on the bottom, just made a couple of holes here for isolation switches. Base units are currently all in place. I'm going to start doing the wall units. Okay, I've set up my laser for the top of these cupboards, so we're going to use that line to do the rest of the cupboards on this side and the cupboards on that side. So I'm going to just pencil on the wall. So I'm going to drop my line down to that, so that will give you exactly where to drill out the holes for the hooks. This one is going to have an extractor fan, so we would have to take it back down and do the cutout. Really wrong. Right, so from the other side, we're going to start from this side and I'll work my way back. So we have the other side up. That's where the microwave is going to be going inside here. That's the colour of the kitchen, if you haven't seen already. To get some of the drawers in. Yeah, get all put in first. Quite a few drawers in this kitchen, just a couple. There's 3 outside, a couple there. This is a larder.